10 Simple Steps to Build a $10 Million Business. As a two-time entrepreneur, I've experienced the ups and downs of building a company and culture. Aside from my children, however, there is nothing I'm prouder of than the two great companies we've built, Likeable Media and Likeable Local. While not everyone can start a business with their husband or wife, it really helps to have a trusted partner to be #in it together with. For my second business, for instance, I partnered with my friend of 3 decades to build our product. Ultimately, too many businesses fail because they don't have a sound strategy and focus. Our management teams meet quarterly to plan the strategy, and believe it or not, thanks to Vern's tool, we summarize the entire business plan and strategy on just one sheet of paper. A major turning point in our first business was when we fired Charlie. A super nice guy, Charlie had us helping promote his restaurant and their special events. But he could only afford to pay us $500 a month, and I knew we couldn't scale our business if we kept working with people like Charlie. It's really hard to say no but essential, if you're going to really grow your small business. Seriously, running a business is one of the loneliest jobs out there, even if you have a great partner. My forum of 6 people has become one of the most important resources in my business and life, my closest friends, and a great support system. Here are 5 great small business peer-to-peer organizations for entrepreneurs to consider, including BNI, Vistage, IPO and YAC. You can't possibly know it all, and even with a great partner and great peers, you can use help in growing your business. While it's great to have friends and mentors who can help you, I recommend you codify your mentors through the creation of a board of advisors. In 2012, we asked longtime friends and mentors with a wide variety of experience and talent across various focus areas: finance, law, marketing, brand management, and sales. We formed a Likeable Advisory Board and instantly had a group of 11 advisors who we could call on any time and who met with us formally 4 times a year to help us grow our business. Dave, said my erstwhile employee of a sales manager I once had, "I don't care if the guy is putting up big numbers." Then, even though our intuition tells us we've hired the wrong person, we don't want to accept that fact. So we keep trying to justify the decision, coach that person to success, and/or move him to a new position. This is often more damaging than hiring the wrong person in the first place. Hire slow, fire fast. So the core values you have and the culture you cultivate at work is absolutely essential to your success and happiness. We took great care with both of our companies to create core values that would resonate, amongst them, for Likeable Media, transparency, accountability, and passion; for Likeable Local, passion for small business, obsession for customer success, drive, and continuous improvement. We've also worked tirelessly to build culture, retreats out of the office, social events, unique benefits like on-site manicures and massages. The results: Likeable Media has been named the Crain's Best Place to Work in NYC for 3 straight years and continues to attract the best and brightest people in New York. A couple of years later, we had one of the most well-read blogs in social media marketing, and that blog didn't just build our brand, it kept generating lots of leads. Today, whether it's on your blog, on Facebook, Twitter or LinkedIn, through online video or pictures, or articles or white papers, you have an ability to constantly build your brand to make your business more credible, more trusted, and more accessible to your customers and prospects. Social media is the great equalizer when it comes to building your brand, and you have a greater opportunity than ever before to make your small business brand big. New customers weren't banging down our doorstep, and for the first time ever in business, my wife and I were questioning whether we could continue rapid growth. So we went ahead and asked, and the next thing we knew, we had filled up our pipeline again with strong prospects that would lead to new closed business and continued rapid growth. The best form of marketing has been and will always be referrals from your current customers, because if you're doing a good job, they'll want to help. Likeable Media and Likeable Local would be absolutely nowhere without our employees, partners, and advisors. The reality is, your job as an entrepreneur and leader is just threefold: set the vision and strategy, make sure there's enough money in the bank to make payroll, and get the right people in the right seats on the bus. These people will help you go from $0 to $500,000, or $0 to $10 million, or even from $0 to $500 million. Your people are your business. Your people are your future success. Now go out there, get some great people together and build that #small business of your dreams. Now it's your turn. What are your secrets to success in business? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below, and please do share this post with your network to help inspire as many small businesses as we can.